Hi, it's Dawn with Southern Instructional Solutions. We're back with video number 2 in a series of 8 on syllable types. So the first one was on notebook setup and a little introduction. And today we're going to talk about the closed syllable type. So let me go ahead and move over to my document camera and we will get started. So make sure you have out your notebook from the first session and we're going to pick up with where we left off. Have your highlighters ready and we're going to talk about the closed syllable type today. So grab your blue highlighter and let's go ahead and label the first syllable type in number 1 box, which is closed, the closed syllable type. So when it comes to the closed syllable type, which is the very first pattern you want to teach, it's the most basic pattern. It follows that short sound is what it is. So when you're teaching those short vowel patterns, you just go ahead and start it right away. So you have basically whenever you have the closed pattern, you have a consonant, and then get the pink highlighter, and a vowel and a consonant pattern. So this is my introductory lesson. And I use the highlighters for the primary grades, and I use the 4-in-1 color Bic pen for like middle school, high school students. Although some of them might not mind the highlighters, like they just read your audience, so you know, don't make it too baby. So whenever it comes to the closed pattern, let's switch over to a pencil now. If this vowel, if we were going to put some little feet on this vowel, and this little vowel were going to go for a walk, and he was going to walk in the direction that we read, this little vowel couldn't go for a very long walk, because think of this consonant as a door. This door is closed and it's in the way. So he can't go for a long walk. He can only go for a short walk because the door is closed. So think of it this way: short walk, short sound. Short walk, short sound. This is because the door is closed. So let's write that down. Short walk equals short sound. Now, what do I mean by a short sound? So that means I don't say a, I say ah. I don't say e, I say eh. I don't say I say I. I don't say o, I say ah. And I don't say you, I say That's the short sound. Short walk because the door is closed, short sound. So let's highlight that in yellow. That's going to be important to remember. Short walk, short sound. So let's look at a word as an example. Pick up your blue highlighter again. Let's write B, and let's put that vowel in pink again. Get your pink highlighter, E. Pick up your blue highlighter, D. So remember, your vowel is going on a walk. It's going to go on a short walk and say it's short sound because that D is the door. So it's going to say eh, short walk, short sound, bed, bed. It's not going to say E because it's going on a short walk, short sound, bed. So let's look at some other words that would look like this. How about, or some syllables, N-A-T. Grab your yellow highlighter. Let's highlight that vowel. Vowels, A-E-I-O-U. There's the A. A says ah. Okay. So it says n-at because the T is closing it in. Short walk, short sound. Let's try another one. M-I-T. Find the vowel. Short walk, short sound. I says it. It, mit. Short walk, short sound. There's the door. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try V-O-G. Highlight that vowel. Okay, short walk, short sound, vog, vog. How about regular word? H-U-T, highlight the vowel. U says hut. Short walk, short sound. Here's the door. Okay, so that works for all of these little 3-letter words. What about, here's another pattern I want you to realize that this happens with. We have a vowel with a consonant after it, not in front of it. Looks almost the same, a vowel with a consonant. Grab your pencil. So if we're going to put some little feet on this vowel and this vowel is going to go for a walk, guess what? We still have a door. So it's still going to go for a short walk and short sound because it is closed in by that door. It still has the closed pattern. The consonant is closing in the vowel. So let's write that again. Short walk equals short sound. So we are still going to follow that same rule as above. So let's see, if we were to take that B off so that we have the vowel and the consonant only, that means that it's going to be an E with a D. And that would say ed, ed. Hey, grab your pink highlighter again. I know somebody with the name Ed. So it should have a capital, Ed. There we go. And then I also see words that have ed at the end sometimes. So as a little part of a syllable or a suffix, ed, or it can be part of a word. And then we have somebody's name, Ed. Short walk, short sound. There's my door. So let me think of some other words. So here, how about our syllable? At. Here's a word, at. Highlight. I can make other words with that too, like cat and pat, following the first pattern. How about IT? Short walk, short sound. Remember, it's walking in the direction that we read it. Short walk, short sound. How about this could be part of a word? All. O says all. Short walk, short sound. Still follows the rule. Here's a word you know. UP. U says what? U says for up. Short walk, short sound. So that, my friend, is the closed syllable type. For consonant, vowel, consonant, like in ed, and consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, like in ed. Remember, short walk, short sound, it's in the direction that we're reading, because later on, when you introduce the open pattern, they're going to get just a little confused. So just keep going back to they're walking in the direction that we're reading. Very good. So this was video number 2. Once you teach it, go on and find video number 3. Okay, toodles.